Hello friends, today I will teach you how to make a hyperlink with any file or folder on your PC. It is very hectic to make each tab on every file on your sheet. So if you are decision making, you must have access of your files at your fingertips. This is just an example for you. So guys, see how I make it. First click the save button, then I will hyperlink either from here or from insert and then click here. I will do the short one, hyperlink, click on existing file or web page, then you have to click the destination folder, click this button and then reports all data. I will link it to sales report, sales, and then OK. So it is linked with sale folder only. So whenever I click on sales button, it will take me to the sales folder. See, reports, data all, and sales folder. Now I will tell you how to link it with the file. Click the year, hyperlink, then to the destination folder, reports all data, then I click the sales folder, then to the sale report 2019 and I will click OK. Now I will check it works or not. So as you see, sale report 2019 and this is the data, confidential data. So I will close this. So I have described you how to make two hyperlinks with either with folder or either with the file at any destination on your PC. As you see, it is very easy for a person to take any decision on any matter if he has a quick access to his folder and to any file which he wants. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, and if you have any suggestion, please write me a comment. Thank you so much.